There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800-WATER DAMAGE of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800-WATER DAMAGE of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.
Hello, First Alert StormTeam meteorologist Joseph Williams with your VNN News Now afternoon forecast. Thank you for joining us. And it's certainly a pretty chilly afternoon, but certainly not as cold as the start of the work week when we saw those sub-zero morning lows. But we are looking at some more Arctic air settling in this coming midweek. And we're also First Alert tracking some more snow chances towards the end of the week, heading into next week too. So let's get right to your First Alert forecast to show you what I mean by that. Basically, if you're out, so here's something interesting. If you're going to be out at the Fargo, if you're out at Broadway in Fargo for the tree lighting event that's happening tonight between 6 to 8 p.m. It's going to be a chilly one out there. So basically, again, over the next several hours, we are looking at temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s. So by around 6 p.m., a temperature of 21 with cloudy skies. There is a small chance of some flurries pushing in during the evening hours too. So you may see a couple of snowflakes as the tree lighting ceremony ends up occurring out at Broadway in downtown Fargo. After the event ends, we're looking at cloudy skies heading into tonight, and then overnight into your Wednesday morning commute, that's when we'll see those single-digit temperatures. So by 4 o'clock, by the time the Valley Today show is starting, we're looking at a temperature of 8 degrees. So basically a cool night ahead of us. So if you're out at the tree lighting event in downtown Fargo for this evening, make sure to bundle up and wear a couple of layers to protect yourself from the cold. So why are we experiencing the cold, and also why are we anticipating some snowflakes? Well, it's all with this Clipper system, a moisture-starved, low-pressure system from Canada that's brought some light snow into our region. Taking a closer look, we have a few snowflakes out in northwest Minnesota. I was taking a look at some traffic cams in northwest Minnesota about half an hour ago, and there were some snowflakes coming down in, say, Goodrich. So that's just kind of an example of what we're seeing, some light snow taking place in parts of our region. As we head into the evening commute, we will see those snow flurries and showers moving south. So by 5 o'clock, they'll mainly be in the Southern Valley and Lakes Country. But again, they're very moisture starved, so those showers are not producing much moisture at all. And basically overnight into your Wednesday morning commute, we're looking at clearing skies. So we're done with the snow overnight, heading into your Wednesday morning commute. No snowflakes coming down for Wednesday morning. But notice those temperatures. They're in the single digits with wind chills in the teens below zero. And then we'll stay with those kinds of temperatures basically for your Wednesday afternoon commute. So even though we're looking at mostly sunny skies for Wednesday afternoon, it's going to be cold out there. And then tomorrow night, we're back with another round of sub-zero lows and wind chills in the teens below zero. Again, not much more snow anticipated with those snow showers moving into our region tonight, probably a tenth of an inch or so. Then we're First Alert tracking more rounds of winter precipitation because we're under an upper level pattern that will allow for streams of moisture to slide into our region, giving us those snow accumulations in the process. Basically, we'll see multiple clippers moving into our region as a jet stream pattern that's oriented from the northwest to the southeast allows multiple clipper systems to bring that light snow into the northern plains. Although Monday and Tuesday of next week look like they offer the best chance for that snow. Here's a look at a First Alert forecast to show you what I mean. Again, notice those. Notice that jet stream icon right here. That indicates the general direction of these low pressure systems and that snow. And so for Thursday, we're looking at some light snow in the Northern Valley in northwest Minnesota. That first round slides out Thursday night, but then Friday evening, a cold front will bring some more snow flurries and showers into our region. And then we'll see our third round of snow on Saturday afternoon as yet another low pressure system moves through the central and northern plains. This time that snow for Saturday will be in the southern areas of our region. And then we may see some more flurries on Sunday evening behind an Arctic air mass for Sunday. And then on Monday, some more snow anticipated. And then as we get into Tuesday, that's when we could see a lot more snow coming on down, which may impact any plans you have coming up. So we'll have to keep an eye on next Tuesday as we get closer. So let's look at our 7-day snowfall. Between today and Monday, we're probably looking at about 2 inches of snow across our entire region, with a couple of areas out in northwest Minnesota seeing a little bit more snow accumulation. So not much snow anticipated between today and next Monday. That's how little of moisture that we're dealing with these Clipper systems. But then as we head into Tuesday night, we may see a couple more inches of snow from our next weather maker, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. One other thing we're looking at is Arctic air. We'll see a couple waves of Arctic air sliding to a region. Notice this pink color? That's Arctic air moving into North Dakota and Minnesota. And as a result, for this afternoon, we're in the teens to low 20s. We're looking at wind chills in the low teens, upper teens to low 20s because of light winds in the area. But heading into your morning commute, we're looking at single-digit lows and wind chills in the teens below 0. More or less the same kind of setup for Wednesday afternoon, with 6 for the actual temperature and 9 below 0 for the wind chill in Fargo. 8 and 8 below for Grand Forks, and 3 and 15 below for Langdon. Thursday morning, more Arctic air pushing in. So we're looking at lows on either side of 0 and wind chills in the 20s below 0. So basically tomorrow, heading into Thursday morning, first alert tracking some bitter cold. Make sure to bundle up, wear a couple of layers to protect yourself from the cold. Then as we head into Friday afternoon, we do warm up a bit. We'll see highs in the teens to low 20s. But then we see some of those purple colors making a comeback. That means some sub-zero temperatures in spots for Saturday heading into Sunday afternoon. Or put another way, we'll go from 24 on Friday to 9 on Sunday, and then we're back in the upper 20s on Tuesday, and then basically staying around average as we head into mid-December. So we're looking at some more waves of cold tomorrow and on Saturday into Sunday. Those are our 2 waves of Arctic air sliding in. So to recap everything, first alert tracking several rounds of snow between Thursday and Tuesday of next week. We're particularly keeping an eye on Monday and Tuesday. But even some light flurries and showers are expected Friday and Saturday. So keep the VNN First Alert Weather app on standby as we first alert track those precipitation chances. And as for temperatures, we're take a brief break from that Arctic air heading into next week. We're looking at, again, our 2 rounds will be on Wednesday and on Saturday night into Sunday, with those single-digit to sub-zero temperatures and wind chills colder than that. But we do warm up into the 20s heading into the second week of December. Now I'm going to quickly get off of here, but Summer, Schnellbach, and I will be giving periodic updates in the VNN First Alert Weather app, and also Russ will be on for 5, 6, and 10. Summer will be on for 4 and 5:30, and I'll be on for 6:30 and 9. So be sure to tune in to watch all of our shows this evening. In the meantime, you have a wonderful, safe